Hello, all you Carolina Panthers supporters out there. I'm glad to see you back. To top it all off, we have no idea. We're going to look at some fascinating data. Before we get started, let's take a short look at the market. In the meantime, the price has been steadily falling and correcting itself. And then there's Bitcoin, which hit a high of 24,500 and a 1-hour high of a little less than 24,000. We may have been able to see it since it had already fallen. The position with respect to the Ethereum is largely the same. As far as we could tell, it moved up 1,800 today, 18,100 to its highest point. At this moment in time, it is down to the 1,770s, which is still quite high. A little more would be taken, I think. What about the dreadful 10-digit number? Don't forget to subscribe at this point. If you have any other information, please share it with us, and we'll get you up to date on the most recent Euro class card news in most trading cryptos. To recap, Bitcoin has now recovered a market cap of $1 trillion and has been in the green for 3 days in a row. After a recent catastrophe, the markets are showing signs of regaining their sense of optimism, which is helping altcoins make some significant gains. Data from the COI and market CAP reveals that the Lunar and Lunar Classic are among the most traded cryptocurrencies this week, taking the first and third places, respectively, in the rankings. Polygon Matic is a close second following a recent surge of approximately 64%. Investors' interest in both assets hasn't waned, as seen by the fact that they are still willing to wager on their price. A well-known classic has fallen to earth and is currently going for a few pennies. Luna is edging closer and closer to breaking beyond the $1 mark. Cryptocurrencies may have become more accessible to regular investors, allowing them to take greater risks and reap the rewards. Luna and Luna Classic are popular because of this. In my opinion, Luna Classic and Luna are trading at the wrong time and place. Investors keep an eye on the pricing of Luna and Luna Classic to see if they're still around. After Luna's term dropped to 0 in May, a lot of people were interested in the target system. The company's revival and rebranding piqued investor interest, and as a result, they received regular updates from interested parties. The investigations into Terra Labs and its creator, Duke, have kept users on the alert for complaints of possible malfeasance for as long as you have reported it. Because of this, the assets are drawing interest from the crypto community in addition to investment offers. Investors look at both tokens with skepticism before deciding to invest in them. Toro Coin's underwhelming results. Since trading began on the backfloat, Luna and Luna Classic's prices have risen significantly, at least across the industry. As a result of the crypto community's dismissal of Luna Classic, it has become something of a gambling den. It would be exceedingly unlikely for Luna to acquire investors' faith unless the price suddenly surges to its all-time high of $18 in Lounge D, and that's a long shot. Finally, the primary motivations for trading Luna and the Luna Classic on various crypto websites are incorrect. We're done with the Terra Luna Classic for the time being. Ensure that you've signed up for our newsletter. If you have anything more, please don't hesitate to bring it with you. Pierce, C, and X1.